Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dealing with drone issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you encounter an ESC error on your DJI Spark. This is a problem that many Spark owners have faced, and it typically points to an issue with either one of the motors or the electronic speed controller, or potentially both. When the drone reports an ESC error, it means one of the components responsible for controlling a specific motor isn't functioning correctly, preventing that motor from spinning as it should. This can manifest as a motor that won't spin at all, spins erratically, or triggers a specific error message within the DJI Go app. Identifying the exact cause between a faulty motor and a faulty ESC can sometimes be tricky, but if diagnostics or visual inspection suggest the ESC board itself is the culprit, perhaps showing signs of burning or damage, then a replacement part like the ZEZEFUFU ESC board becomes a necessary consideration. This particular board is designed specifically as a repair spare for the DJI Spark. It serves as a direct replacement for the original ESC board located on each arm of the drone. For those unfamiliar with the Spark's internal layout, this small board sits underneath the motor mount and directly above the LED light cover on the drone's arm. One of the key pieces of information about this ZEZEFUFU ESC board is its compatibility. The DJI Spark uses two types of motors: clockwise spinning motors, typically identified by a black top, and counterclockwise spinning motors, usually identified by a white top. Each motor requires a corresponding ESC board to control it. This replacement board is versatile. It is stated to work with both the CW, black, and CCW, white, motors, meaning you don't need to worry about ordering a specific board type based on which motor is affected. You just need the correct replacement board for the arm that has the faulty ESC. However, it is crucial to understand that replacing this part is not a simple plug-and-play operation. The ESC board is soldered directly to the drone's arm wiring and potentially to the motor connections, depending on the specific design. Therefore, soldering is absolutely required to install this replacement board. This means that anyone attempting this repair will need to have soldering skills and the appropriate tools. It's not a task for beginners unless they are willing to learn and practice soldering techniques beforehand. Attempting this repair without proper soldering can cause further damage to the drone. The package content is straightforward. You receive one single ESC board. This means if you have multiple ESC errors on different arms, you would need to purchase one board for each affected arm. The purpose of this part is singular and focused, to fix an ESC error specifically caused by a burned out or malfunctioning ESC board. If the error is actually due to a bad motor, replacing the ESC board alone will not resolve the issue, and the motor would need to be replaced as well. This board offers a potential solution for a specific failure point, allowing for a component-level repair rather than needing to replace an entire arm assembly or even the whole drone, which can be significantly more expensive. For someone comfortable with micro-soldering, this ZEZEFUFU ESC board provides a viable path to getting a grounded DJI Spark back into the air.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.